You like head, but can you draw it? And it begins with Photoshop. First, you start by drawing a circle, and it doesn't have to be a perfect circle. It just has to be round enough to work. Draw a vertical line right through the middle of the circle, dividing it into 2 equal halves. This line signifies the length of the head, which is from the top of the head to the chin. The next thing you do is connect the side of the face by drawing a curve from the side of the circle to the chin. When that is done, next you can do the neck. The neck you draw also sometimes determines the gender of the character you are drawing. So you can say a wide neck for guys and then a nice slim narrow neck for girls. I think we'll be going with a narrow neck for this one. And I went ahead when you guys weren't looking and did another angle of the head while applying these same rules, but in a different angle. And the next thing you do is lower the opacity, create a new layer and refine your sketch. When you're done refining your sketch, you divide your head again with a vertical line and then divide it with a horizontal line, dividing it into 4 equal parts. Then you make another horizontal line, dividing the bottom section into 2 equal parts and dividing the last bottom section with another horizontal line into 2 equal parts. These lines signify the eyes, the ears, the nose, and the mouth. We can start first by drawing the ears, so at least this girl will hear word. Next, we draw the shape of the nose, and then the mouth. And when we're done with that, we can proceed to the eyes. The eyes will be drawn on the first horizontal line we made. Let's go ahead and make 2 vertical curves to signify the points where our eyes will meet. In order to draw the eyes, we make a curve from where these lines meet down to the nose. At this point is where we draw the eyebrows. One trick I usually use is the width between the nose bridge should be exactly the same width of the eyes. And you start the eyes by making a curve matching the eyebrows and then another curve right at the bottom. And then you draw the pupils, which is just a perfect circle. But right now she's looking a little bit too surprised, so we need to give her some eyelid. And there you go, sexy eyes. You can go ahead and put in your other details like the hair. I went for a more African puff hairstyle. And when you guys weren't looking, I went ahead and put the details in the other head. And there you go. Congratulations. And now you know how to draw hair. Feel free to put down in the comment section what other tips and tricks you guys would like to see, or what other body part you would like to see me draw. But you know what you really like.